Today, I'll show you how to plan a sprint in Jira step by step. Sprint planning helps your team decide what work should be completed during the next sprint. It is commonly used by Scrum teams to organize tasks, estimate effort, and set a clear sprint goal. First, open Jira and log into your account. Go to your Scrum project. From the project menu, open the backlog. This is where you can see upcoming work, including stories, tasks, bugs, and other issues. Before creating a sprint, review the backlog with your team. Make sure the highest priority issues are near the top. Open each important issue and check that it has a clear summary, description, acceptance criteria, priority, and assignee if needed. Next, add estimates. Many teams use story points, but some teams use time estimates instead. Enter the estimate in the story points or story point estimate field. Once the backlog is ready, click Create Sprint. Jira will create a new sprint section at the top of the backlog. Now drag the issues you want into the sprint. Choose work based on team capacity, priority, dependencies, and previous sprint velocity. Avoid adding too much work, because the goal is to create a realistic plan. After selecting the issues, click Start Sprint. Now enter the sprint name. Choose the start date and end date. Most sprints are 1 or 2 weeks long, but your team can choose the length that works best. Next, add a sprint goal. The sprint goal should describe what the team wants to achieve, not just list tasks. For example, you might write, improve the checkout experience and fix payment-related bugs. Review the sprint one final time. Check the issue list, estimates, dates, and goal. When everything looks correct, click Start. Your sprint is now active, and the team can begin moving issues through the board. And that's it. You now know how to plan a sprint in Jira step by step. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.